Thursday, March 7th at 1:34 in the afternoon, and the dogs and I are down on the Cataraqui Trail, walking west from the Walker Road parking spot, heading towards Harrowsmith. We're not going to go over to Harrowsmith, but we're heading that way. And it's sunny, windy, and 10 degrees. Another beautiful day in paradise. This isn't a stretch of the Cat Trail that I walk that often, but it's actually very pretty along here. Lots of really nice exposures of limestone, as the old railway had to cut its way through here, maintaining a specific grade. One of the reasons I did decide to come to this section was because there's a fairly strong northeast wind, and because I'm on an east-west trail and sort of in between rock outcrops, I thought we'd be a little more protected in here and have a bit more pleasant of a walk. And so far that's holding true. Well, so far this stretch of the trail is certainly good enough to ride a bike on. It's a little damp and mushy in places, but not bad. A lot of it's very firm and fairly dry. Just coming up to the Lowborough Portland Road here. Yeah, when you get down into these rock cuts, it's beautiful. The wind goes right over top of you, and it's just as calm as anything down here. As I walk through these areas, I try to think back to the 1800s when the men used to be working on the railway, would have been in here slugging away, doing various tasks. And you have to wonder what they might have been talking about as they worked hard on a hot summer day here, cleaning this area out for the train tracks. Looks like maybe a fairly recent rock slide here. All the big rocks look fairly brightly colored. They're not covered in dirt yet, so I suspect they've broken off fairly recently from that upper ledge there. Those are nice blocks of rock. I'd like to get those for my garden, but I don't think I can quite lift those ones. Another rock slide. little bluebird here on the tree. And we've been walking for just about an hour now, and we're just coming up to the confluence with the Cataraqui Trail. Okay, here we are at the Cataraqui Trail.